Last week, around 50,000 Catalans demonstrated in Brussels asking Europe to finally wake up. Instead of defending fundamental rights and democracy, the EU has preferred to support Rajoy, the leader of one of the most corrupt parties in Europe and also the leader of a government which, among other things, is unable to control public finances to the extent that they have emptied completely the public pension fund. I'm sure that sooner than later the European Union will realise how wrong has been with Catalonia, because you simply cannot defend the very idea of Europe and at the same time, by looking the other way, endorsing repression against voters, the jailing of political opponents or the seizing of self-government institutions, without taking into account the people, their needs, their legitimate aspirations. The European Union has no future. We, the Catalans, love Europe, but we want another European Union.